Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro. All these cases are made for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus by this new case manufacturer that's affiliated with Spigen, which is one of my favorite case manufacturers of all time, as you guys all know. And they did sponsor this video, but I should note that everything I'm saying in this video, I really feel I love these cases, and I think that they're a great option. This is a new brand that's offering female cases that look really stylish but still offer protection. So it's kind of filling the gap in the case world, because you can find a lot of really good looking cases for females, but you won't find things that offer good protection. So Spigen knows what they're doing with good protection. So this new company, CL, is really coming out with some awesome cases, and I'm excited to show them to you guys. So with Mother's Day right around the corner, this feels like the perfect gift to get for your mom, for yourself, tell your kids to get it for you. Just get it because you want it. It's perfect time. They have a 15% off code, so you should definitely check that out. That's for Mother's Day. But starting it out strong, it comes with this really nice pouch. And this is like the first case I've ever seen to come with this. So this is a reusable pouch that you can use as a makeup holder, a pencil case holder, or for you techies out there, a cable holder. It's nicely designed. It looks pretty clean. I was happy to see that to start off. And then the other thing is that these cases are broken up into two different categories. So the first type of cases are cases like this, which offer really nice accents on the top and bottom, and they're slim, but they have raised protection around the screen and the camera on the back. So they'll be protective, but they'll look really nice. So starting off with this one, it is a marble back with this really nice gold plate on the top and the bottom, and it looks really clean. All these cases come for both the S9 and the S9 Plus, but this is like a hard material. It feels like it will stand up. All of the cases from this collection and the other collection will have wireless charging compatibility, which is huge, and then they will also have really good grippable buttons. So on this case especially, I find it so easy to hit the buttons, and when you're applying this case and stuff, it just works really well. So this is a very nice case. I think it looks really good and it gets the job done. The next case from this collection is this like baby blue color with those same accents, and it's a really soft blue. It just looks awesome. I think it will really complement both the lavender S9 and S9 Plus and also the blue one. This looks clean. It still has all the good things that I mentioned about the other case. And then the third case in this collection is this soft pink with those same accents up top. This one looks really clean. Again, it really reflects the light well, so I could see this complementing the Fitbit Versa and the pink watch band, or an Apple Watch with the pink band. It looks clean, it looks nice, and all these cases are pretty grippable because of the accents on the bottom. Okay, so this next collection definitely has some of my favorite cases, and an important note about this is that they pack Spigen air cushion technology, which is a good technology that is all around the border of the case to provide protection when it's dropped. So this is definitely going to be a very protective case. Starting it off with the two cases that are probably my favorite out of this collection, the glitter ones. This has glitter TPU detail, meaning that you can see the glitter even from the sides of the phone, which is very nice detail on the case. And in terms of the colors here, let's start out with like the pinkish purple one. It looks really great. It like shimmers. I think it picks up the light really well, and it definitely adds some sparkle to your phone. It gives it some life. It's not too thick either, so you'll still be able to have a pretty thin phone. It's got nice protection. It still has a camera cutout and the fingerprint sensor cutout. It looks really nice. The ports at the bottom are nicely cut out as well. The next one is a silver case, which still has the same characteristics as like the pinkish purple one. It looks really clean as well. I just love that sparkle. Then this case is also the sparkle silver one, but it has a really nice pattern on it, and it also has a different texture than all the rest of the cases, so it's a little more grippable. I don't know why. I think the pattern kind of adds to it, so you definitely will get some traction and grip on the back. That one looks really clean as well. And then kind of an interesting one is this flower case. And the nice thing about this is it's semi-clear where the flowers are not there. So when you have your phone, you're still going to be able to see the color of your phone. So I actually think that this one worked really well with the purple phone. I was still able to see like the color on it, and it complemented it really well. It just looked like really clean and nice. So that's kind of it for this quick one. I'm really excited about these cases. It now means that you can get really stylish cases that are well built. So I'm hyped. It's filling a gap in the market as always. It's kind of a niche product, but I think a lot of you guys are going to be interested in it. So with Mother's Day coming up, as I already said, they're offering a 15% off discount code. So you're definitely going to want to get on this, get this for yourself, get this for your mom, get it for whoever you think would be interested in it. They're coming out with iPhone cases also very soon, so stay on the lookout for that. But I think right now, starting this out with a really nice collection of different cases to fit anyone's style. It's going to be awesome, and they're really affordable too, which means you can pick up a bunch of these and match it with your outfit, kind of go like that. I'm excited about these, as you guys can all tell. But thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. It was awesome working with them. I hope to work with them again and show you guys these cases again in the future. Let me know if you like this video by smashing that like button. You're going to want to subscribe right here so you don't miss any other content coming very soon. And check out my other content right here. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Bye!